Hey guys, welcome to Lognex. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Halifax account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to sign up for a Halifax account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address halifax.co.uk and hit on enter, and after that it will be directed to the home page of Halifax Bank Accounts online website. Now in order to register your account, proceed from over here, scroll down until you can find the register for online banking option available. For over here you can see it's way below, you can see over here on the bar, and over here let's go for the register for online banking. So if you want to sign up for a Halifax banking account, let's click on register for online banking, and over here again let's accept all the keys by the Halifax bank, and let's click on the register for online banking again over here, and then it'll be directed to your this page where you'll be required to again click on the register button over here. And over here guys is the step where you will be able to sign up for your Halifax account. So you will be required to enter your first name, your last name guys. After that enter your birthday year or birth year I may say, and that enter your email address with which you will be entering to your account later on, and retype your email address over here guys. And over here guys you can see either you can choose do you live on the UK or yes or no. You can choose over here. If you live on the UK, click on yes. If no, click on no. Similarly enter your postcode of your location over here, and you can see guys you can choose your account type over here. Either you want your account type to be current or savings account, or a loan account, or mortgage, credit card, or a share dealing account. And after that enter your sort code over here, and over here you find your account number and enter it over here. You can find these details on your statement, you can see guys, or on your debit card if you have one over here. And after entering all of these are your personal credentials which you don't want to share with anybody, click on the I agree to this online banking terms and condition and click on continue. And on the next steps you will be required to verify that you're a human, and after that your account will be created on Halifax. And this is how you sign up for a Halifax account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, you can also contact the Halifax customer support from over here where it says I'm stuck, my details aren't working, and contact us. There will be services for you in order if you could if you get any problems during your sign up. And with that being said guys, this is how you sign up for your Halifax account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.